Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is LG brand top loader 7 kg smart inverter system, uh, inverter motor. This machine actually the problem. This machine whatever after selecting a machine drum not rotating. That's mean motor not working. Uh, this custom actually he given to another technician also, but they try to repair. They replace the motor also. It's having occurring the same issue. Because of that, anyway, machine came to me. Now I'm going to troubleshoot the problem. Also, I'm trying to repair this machine. Now I will show you how to repair this machine, and we will go to the next step. Now I already given power connection. I'm selecting direct spin here. 6 minutes is remaining, showing through the display. Now I will start the machine. It will increase the time now up to 12. Now drain, you can hear the noise. Drain pump already working, but problem is drum not rotating. Because the customer already informed to us, they try to replace the motor also. That's when it is no issue with the motor. Error message also not showing. The now time already decreasing. Now it came up to 9 minutes. This is the problem actually. It's not showing any error message also. Drum not rotating, motor not getting start. Now I will do one thing. I will remove the back cover and we will check. Now I am removing back cover here. The drain hose it should be hung up, but because of that they tied with the. So now I remove the back cover. Now you can see here underneath the machine. The drain motor already working. Clutch is catching actually. You can see the motor, it is coming some jerk, but it's not rotating. It's meaning it is like a very tight. It's not tight also. Yeah, it is very tight actually. But anyway, it's not rotating. The connection, connector, everything I have to check properly here. The connectors are okay, no any issue. Now what I'm going to do, I will take it out the drum. After that I can identify. Now I will remove the harness from the drum, and this one no need to actually release drain motor. Just we have to remove the drain pump and drain motor and motor connection only. Now we have to release here the bellow. Now we have to remove the pressure sensor hose, this lock here, and pull out. It will be okay. After that, here 2 screws already we remove. Also here this cup we have to remove. And these 2 screws, this 2 nut I have to remove. Now we have to take it out. It's lock. Here this side lock can release. Now it's okay. Now again, just we can open, just we can lift up. After that we can keep like that, very careful. It's like that. Then we can take it out. Now I already take it out. Now we can keep here down. Now I already took it out. Now I kept already upside down because the motor, everything should be up, because I have to check. Going to do, dear friends, now I'm giving power connection again here, because I need to clear the picture. I already given power connection. Also what I'm going to do now again, now I will give the power. I already give the power connection. Now I'm selecting here direct spin cycle. I'm selecting here direct spin, and I will start the machine. Now we will do the motor and all. Now you can see here drain motor already catch, also gear lever. This is the mechanism here, you can see here. And now we will check this one, gear releasing through this one. Now we can check motor is working or not. You can see here it is little bit turning only. You can see here, dear. Now you can see here, this is the problem actually. Now again release the mechanism system here, this clutch lever. Now again it will catch, you can see here. Now motor is coming only this much only. Not actually, it's not rounding. Here you can see that much only rounding. Again through the main PCB releasing drain pump. Now how we can identify what is the exactly problem? It's very difficult, actually it's complicated job. Again see, it's happening like that. This much only rotating, it's not rounding. Now I have to find out exactly what is the exactly problem. Now this much only coming here, this lever, you can see here. Again it is rusty also. Here now I by my hand is while I'm turning, it should rotate drum, but at the moment, yes my dear, it is, you can see. Again I will show you. After catching gear lever, it should rotate in a drum, but at the moment it is not rotating in a drum. Because of that I'm suspecting. Now see, now I will show you again. Now see, it's coming here this much, but lever also here this much going, but I'm while turning by hand, drum not rotating actually. That means this mechanism is not enough. I'm suspecting. I will do that and we will check again. Here only try to rotate, but it's not rotating, you can see. Yeah, again it's gone back. It went already. Now what I'm going to do, you can see here. Now this is the gear lever. This one I'm going to little bit extend. You can see again. Yeah, while rotating by hand or motor, it should run the inner drum. But in this situation, inner drum not rotating. That is the maybe I'm suspecting that is the reason. Now anyway, this one I will extend little bit from here to there. After that we will check. It's only try to rotate, that's it. Now what I'm going to do, now I will extend little bit this one. Yes, my dear, now I extend little bit. Now we can check. Now again it's coming. Now lever that much coming. Now we will check. Yes, now it's, yes my dear, you can see it is like a magic. Now now it's rotating. Now dear friends, you can see here it's rotating without any problem. Now it should run actually. I will tell you the secret. This one, this is inverter motor. So while this is running in a drum, it should continuously run at the same time only through the pulse going to the main control board. Now you see this one went to 2-3 shops, but they couldn't resolve the issue. That's why customer brought to the workshop here. Now you can see it is rotating without any problem. Now what I did, only I extend this mechanism lever nut. I will show you what happened to that. I having another gear assemble. Now actually my problem already resolved. Now without any problem machine running, you can see. Now I will shut down the machine because it will fall down. Now I having another gear assemble, otherwise clutch assemble. It is different name. I remove the top. Now I will show you what happened to this machine, why is not rotating. This one while through the drain motor is pulling like that. This is the mechanism, this lever. Through the bolt it should, here this is the gear. This one clutch assemble, we are telling this clutch. You can see here it should release properly, full. It's like that. You can see here, at the same time only rotating, otherwise it's not rotating. You can see. Now I will release my hand. Now you can see it's not rotating. This is the happen to this machine. Now again I will catch. Now you can see. Now it's rotating. After releasing my hand, it's not rotating. That's what happened to this machine, because this one not touching here. This one is came here, because while using 2-3 years, this one is tension is still little bit, this one expand. Because of that, it's happening. It is the common issue, but we know we have to do this job only. No need to unnecessarily replace motor and control board, everything. This is the happen to this machine. Now my job already completed. Now I have to little bit remove here rusty. After that I have to repaint also, and after fixing to the machine, my job will be complete. Now I am going to fix. While you are fixing time, drain bellow should come the back side. You have to think about that, otherwise you have to remove again. Now we have to fix this spring properly. Now it's okay. Now I have to give here. Now it's okay. Also I have to definitely I have to fix this lock. Don't forget, lock properly here. Now it's okay. Now I have to fix the top panel, top cover. We will give the connection here again. Before fixing, we will try one cycle. Now it's okay. Now we will try with the power. Now I already given again power. Also as same before, I'm selecting spin cycle direct. Now drain pump working. Now definitely should work, it should run. Because while catching drain motor, the gear lever is coming back, but it's not releasing gear. Because of that issue came. Now definitely should run. Yes dear, you can see this is it is very simply we can resolve the issue. But if you are learning, if you are trying to do, you have to follow my videos. I'm giving without any hiding all the information. Because it's happening only the inverter system, because inverter motor, it should go to the pulse through the motor to the computer board. Because of that, a signal if not going, motor not rotating continuously. Now you can see dear friends, I already resolved the issue very quickly. It is very simply I resolved the issue. My job already completed. Now I have to refix everything and I have to hand over to the customer. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again. Thanks.